Good afternoon, dear students. Students, in the previous class, I have given you formula of SN. Okay, so you all please understand and remember those formulae which are useful to solve in the next exercise. So earlier I have given you formula of Tn, formula of Sn. What is Tn? Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 into D. What is Sn? Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Then one more formula is there, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket first term plus last term, that is T1 plus Tn. Okay, so you all please remember these formulae because these formulae are you are going to use in the remaining exercise. Okay, now let us proceed to our new exercise, that is 3.3. okay, so let us start that exercise. So for your understanding, I am writing Sn formula again. What is Sn? Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into D. This is first formula of Sn. Then one more formula I have given you. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket first term plus last term, that is T1 plus Tn. And what is Tn formula? Tn is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 into D. So in this way, in this chapter, we have seen three formulas. First two of Sn and last one is of Tn. And what is Sn? Sn means sum of n terms. Okay. Now let us see first question of practice set 3.3. This is activity type. So what is given to you? Value of A, value of D, and you have to find out S27. Okay. So let us see what we are supposed to fill in the boxes. First thing is what? Sn formula is there. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket. So here you are going to write 2a because in the formula you can see 2a is there. So in the first box 2a will come. Okay. Now in the next step what they did, they have put the values of everything. So as n is what? 27. So here also you can see n is 27. Here also. Then 2a means double of a. So if you do double of a, that is 2 6 are 12. So here 12 is written here plus 27 minus 1 into what is D? D is 3. So here in this box you are going to write 3. Okay. Since bracket is there, so that means into is already there. But remember students, whenever there is negative number here, write that number in the bracket because negative number means different term will be considered if you are not writing bracket here. Now this is 27 upon 2. Now here after simplifying this bracket, whatever is your answer that should come here. So this is 12 plus, if you do this 27 minus 1, 26 you are going to get. And if you do 26 threes, 26 threes is what? 78. And 78 plus 12 if you do, you are going to get 90 here. Okay, 78 plus 12 is 90. So after simplification of this bracket, whatever is your answer that should come here. So that is what? 90 here. Now if you do cancellation of 2 with 90, you are going to get 45 here. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to do multiplication of 27 with 45. And if you do this 27 into 45, you are going to get 1215. Okay. So already I have written the answer. You can see the solution. Now let us see second question. Your second question is find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. You can see here. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. So what you have to do? You have to find out sum of 123 even natural numbers. So first thing is what? what is even natural number, that we have to write. So even natural numbers are, even numbers starts from 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8. In this way your numbers will go, right? Now what can you see from this? This is AP, right? Because difference is of 2, so we can write here this is AP. Since it is AP, so we can write our first term 2, difference is of 2, you can see here. And what you have to find out, sum of first 123 means S123. Sum of first 123 means what? S123 you have to find out. Okay. Now what? You are going to use this formula, because in this formula NAD everything you know. So let us write this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this, let us substitute the values. S, what is n? 123. Here also 123 divided by 2. Now 2 into, what is a? A is what? 2. So here you are going to write 2 plus n is 123 minus 1 and your d is 2. So into 2. Now let us simplify this. What is 2 to the 4 plus 123 minus 1 gives you 122 into 2 is there. Now here first you are going to multiply this. So 4 plus, do multiplication of this. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. Now if you add these two, that is 244 plus 4, you are going to get 248. Now let us do cancellation of these two. So this is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. So here you got 123 into 124. Okay, so let me do multiplication of this. So if you do multiplication of this, you are going to get 15252. Okay, so finally what is your answer that you are going to write? That is sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15252. Okay, now let us see third question. Your third question is, you can see here, find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. So this is very much similar to second one. Only the thing is what? Here we know the range. What is the range? Between 1 to 350. So you have to see how many numbers are there, and after that you are going to use your SN formula. Okay, let us see the solution. First thing is what? You have to write even natural numbers between 1 to 350. So if you ask me between 1 to 350, there are numbers 2, 4, 6. In this way your numbers will go. And between 1 to 350, so before 350 you are having 348 only, because between is there, so you cannot include this 350. Okay, again this is AP, right? This is AP, and here you are having your first term 2, difference is 2, and also you know last term, that is 348. Okay, so in this case you know your first term is 2, difference is 2, and also you know last term, that is 348. Okay, so in this case we are going to use this formula. Already we know first term and last term, but we don't know what is n. So that is what we are going to find out. Okay, so let us see the solution. Since we know Tn, so we are going to use formula of Tn, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this formula let us put the values. Already we know Tn is what? 348. You can see here. Okay, what is A2 and D2? So write the values. A is 2 and D is 2. Remaining things will be as it is. Now simplify this. This is 2 plus multiply this 2 in this bracket. So this becomes 2n minus 2. Now these 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. So you are going to get 348 equals to 2n. Now transfer this 2. So this becomes 348 divided by 2. And if you do cancellation, 2 1 ja, 7 ja and 4 ja. So here you are going to get n is equal to 174. Okay. Now we know n. Also we know first term to d. Last term 348. So we can use SN formula. Second one, n upon 2 first term plus last term. What is n? 174. What is first term? 2. Last term 348. Now let us simplify this. If you do addition, you are going to get 350 here. Now let us do cancellation. 1 ja, 7 ja, 5 ja. So this is 174 into 175. Okay. Now let me multiply this. So if you multiply, you are going to get 30450. So SN value, that is sum of numbers between 1 to 350 is 3040. So write your final answer. That is sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350 is how much? 30450. Okay, so this is very simple. Only the thing is whatever you know that you write first. And since in this case we don't know the value of n, means we don't know how many terms are there, so that is why I have used formula of Tn, so that I can know the value of n. After getting the value of n, you have to use formula of Sn, and accordingly after simplifying you are going to get your answer. Now same way your fifth question is there in the form of activity. Complete the following activity to find out the sum of natural numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. Here even number was there, and here you are going to take those numbers which are divisible by 4. So divisible by 4 means what? 4, 8, in this way. Now in between, so 140 will not come, only your numbers are till 136. So you know first term, you know difference, you know last term. So after simplifying you are going to get your n value. Same way, first use Tn formula and find out n, and after getting value of n you have to use Sn formula and get your answer. So this activity you are going to do by your own. So today we have done first, second, third and fifth. In the next class I will do 4, 6 and many remaining questions. Okay, so for today I am stopping my lecture, but students remember you have to solve fifth question by your own and send me the solution properly. Okay, thank you.